In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to stop spam calls on WhatsApp. Let's get started. First, launch your WhatsApp, navigate to the settings page. Once you're over here, different options will appear. Head over to the option privacy. Now, click on the option calls. Now, enable for the option silence unknown callers. This will prevent calls from numbers not in your contacts from notifying you. To further reduce spam, limit your visibility by adjusting the last seen and online settings. With that, head back. Now click on the option last seen and online. Set it to nobody. Likewise, check in for the option same as last seen for another option. Then you can head back. From here, you can also restrict who sees your profile photo, about info and links by selecting nobody or my contacts. For groups, set my contacts so only people in your contacts can add you to new groups. If you receive this spam, you can block them. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.